begin recording. All right. Hi, everyone. Good to see you. Welcome to Saxon Math, Lesson 95. Lesson 95 is about 3 and 6 times tables. So we're going to start with multiplying 3 times 1. All right, so let's share my screen. I'll do this, and I'm going to do some text. And I actually want you guys, we'll stop this. We'll come back. All right. And we'll go to screen share. All right. Text. Let's start with the basics. What is 3 times 0, Zachary?
0. Can I record something?
So what is 3 times 1, Tobias?
3.
3. 3 times 2, TT? 6. 3 times 3, Vash is not there. All right, Eli, what is 3 times 3? Show me in your fingers. He says, grr, grr, growl. All right, you're right. Grr, growl. Grr, growl is the answer to 3 times 3. Okay, no, seriously, it would be 9. All right. Vash, 3 times 4.
3 times 4, 12.
Yo.
All right, 3 times
Yo,
5.
yo.
Zachary.
3 times 5 is 15.
15. 3 times 6. Tobias.
I'll murder you.
3 times 6 is 18.
18. 3 times 7. TT.
21.
21. 3 times 8. Vash.
3 times 8 is...
No, 3 times 8 is
Okay.
24.
20. You are not...
What did Vash say? Vash, what did you say?
I was trying to say 24 and guess...
Okay, 24.
I
All
knew
right,
you would
3
know it,
times
Vash.
9. Zachary.
3 times 9 would be... Hang on, let me count. 19, 18, 27, 27, 27.
And Tobias. 3 times 10. 30. Yay. Okay, so these are your 3 times tables. How do we get these answers? We've talked about this before. Do you remember, Tobias? If I'm going from 3 times 1 to 3 times 2, what am I adding to 3 times 1, which is 3? What do I add to 3? 3. That's right. Because really, inevitably, right, if we're talking about 3 times 4, we're saying 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Whoops, that's money. Well, that's dollars. 3 equals 12. You guys got that?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Guess what we're doing next? 6 times tables. TT, what is 6 times 0?
Oh.
6 times 1, Vash.
6.
6 times 2, Zachary.
Oh, hey, what? 12.
6 times 3, Tobias.
Giant long sword.
18.
That's no. Wait, yes, I'm sorry. I thought we were still on the 3 times tables. Look, you can find it over here. 6 times 3 and 3 times 6. Good job. 6 times, 6 times 4. Who was next? TT.
20.
Nicholas, you made it.
Hey guys, where'd you go?
All right, 6 times 4, TT.
24.
24. 6 times 5, Nicholas.
30.
6 times 6, Vash.
6 times 6, 32.
No, 30.
36.
Yes, yes.
Sorry.
And you knew that.
I am
Remember we were
so
doing-
out of my mind today.
That's all right, because remember we were doing the squared.
Yeah,
Right?
my paper got injured, so I'm out of my mind.
Your paper got injured.
Yeah, it got ripped to pieces.
That's so fun. We'll have to talk about that when we're done with the lesson. What is 6 times 7, Zachary?
6 times 7. 42.
All right. 6 times 8, Tobias.
4 times 8.
No, 6 times 8.
Oh, 6 times
No,
8 is
you eat, and then that was that. Good, 40 something.
40.
41. 42.
8.
Correct.
No. Yes. There we go. I'm looking at you guys on the side of the screen. It's very distracting.
Oh,
6 times 9, TT. Is TT still here?
Yeah, he's still here.
Okay.
54.
No.
I am invisible.
50 what?
4.
No. Let's count. 48 plus 6. Oh yeah, it's 54. Oh my goodness. You're right. And 6 times 10 is, whose turn is it? It's Vash's turn. He's not Nicholas. 6 times 10.
60.
All right. Let's do, how do I do this for a moment? Let's go, let's do this. And let's do Nicholas. Nicholas, what do you see in between these two? Like, what is a pattern that you see in the 3 times tables and the 6 times tables?
That every number is a half of every 3 number is a half of the 6 number.
That's right. That's absolutely correct. Thank you for that. Tobias, do you see that? 6 times 1, half of that is 3 times 1. Now, Tobias, why do you think that is? What is half of 6, Tobias?
3.
3, that's right. That's right. I got some chats going on here. No, Zach is privately talking. All right, he's a monster. All right, chat is done. All right, no more chat. Well, how come I can't get out of here? All right, so anyway, so that's right, 3 is half of 6. So we're working on 3s and 6 multiplications because, right, 3 times 4 is 12, but 6 times 4 is 24. And when you say it, you got to raise your eyebrows like this. Okay, let's start with, is everyone, Tobias is still unmuted. Let's grab our lesson 95A and we'll do it together.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Eli, can you hear me? I can hear you. Say hi. You can say hi with your mouth. Your hand mouth. Okay. All right, I'll mute you back. All right, everyone's got their sheet. Well, let's start with number 1. Tobias, read number 1 for me, please.
Number 1. Erica bought 5 pencils for 30 cents each and 2 books for $1 each. How much money did she spend?
All right, so we have to write a number sentence, correct? And then we've got to find the answer. So let's go to TT. TT, let me share my screen here for a minute so I can write down what you're going to say. I'm going to need to keep this here. we will eraser. We'll erase this. And then TT. What would the number sentence for that look like? There is a rabbit in the screen.
Uh, oh no, Zach is really a monster now.
All right, where is TT? TT, where did you go? Unmute TT. There you are. TT, what would the number sentence look like?
30. Wait. 30.
Let's start with how many pencils we have, right? We have 5 of them,
Yeah.
right? And are we going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide?
Add.
We are going to multiply.
Ooh.
Ooh, because there are 5 pencils and each of them cost 30 cents.
Excuse me.
It's not working. There it is. Yes, Vash.
I can't write over the tape, so do I have to do that one? Because the tape is right in the middle.
Do you have another sheet of paper that you can write on next to it?
And
Okay, then just hang out here with us and I'll ask you questions. All right, so back to TT. Let me find your pretty little face. There it is. All right, so the number sentence, we know we have 5 pencils and they each cost 30 cents, so we're multiplying. And then we're going to have to add 2 books. So TT, if each book costs $1, are we adding or multiplying?
Adding.
Multiplying. And we're going to multiply because each book is each book is $1, right? So we're going to need to multiply those. If we had 3 books, we would multiply. Okay, so 2 times 1, where's the dollar sign? $1, and then equals. All right, Tobias. Are you there? Are you there, Tobias? Tobias,
Yes.
what is 5 times 30?
5 times 30 is
What is that, Tobias?
I'm counting.
Yeah, but I got the answer for you right there, right? Because 5 times 3 is 15, right? And
Oh,
then we just add the 0. Are we talking about money or are we talking about numbers? Tobias? Money? Right? Because
yeah.
money,
Yeah.
right? So we're going to
Yeah.
have to make this $1.50. Yeah. Plus 2 times $1, which is what, Nicholas?
$2.50.
No, 2 times 1 is just $2. There's no 50 cents here. We're only looking at this right here. We're doing the 2 times $1. Do you see that? Right? So is there 50 cents after $1? No. So we're doing $2. So then let's go to Zachary. What is our answer, Zachary?
Our answer is $3.80.
No, $3.50. Because we did the number sentence, which is 5 times 30 cents, and then we had to add $2 to that. So it's $3.50. My, not a very fun place. So it would look like this. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Can you see it? Yes, everyone shake your head yes? Okay. All right. Next one, number 2. Mute. Eli, would you like to read number 2 for us or no?
Yes, it's morning. What time is it?
All right, Eli, what time is it if it's morning on that clock? Remember, we're counting by 5s.
10:18
Yes, 10:18 a.m. or p.m.?
a.m.
A.m. And Eli, read the next question and answer that for me, please.
What time will it be 2 hours from now?
And what time? It will, I'm sorry, what will it be?
12:18.
A.m. or p.m.?
p.m.
p.m. There you go. You almost tricked yourself there, huh? All right, so let's go ahead and mute Eli. Now, Tobias. Calling on you, Tobias. But I'm going to bring up my screen share again so we can answer these. All right? Tobias, what times 3 equals 27?
What times 3 equals 27? 9.
9, right. So we're doing fill in the missing numbers on number 3, and the first answer is 9. Nicholas, what time? Oh, 3 times 8 equals what?
What?
3 times 8 equals?
Equals 24.
24, that is correct. Zachary, 6 times 3 equals?
6 times 3 equals 18.
Correct. Eli, 6 times what equals 48? Eli, you still there? I see your hand. All right, I'll come back to you in a minute, okay? All right, TT, 6 times what equals 48?
6 times 8.
8 equals 48. All right, Tobias, 6 times 6 equals?
Oh, 6 times 6 equals 36.
Cool, all right. Nicholas, 6 times 9?
54.
Yes. All right. Eli, 3 times what equals 12?
4.
3, yes, 4. And then what times 6 equals 24, Vash?
Juan, I missed the other. I couldn't hear what you said for the other ones. What were the other ones?
Okay, well, you tell me what times 6 equals 24, and then I'll show you the rest.
4.
4, right, okay. All right, so your boxes should look like this. Are you ready, Vash? I'm going to put it
Yeah.
up to the screen so you can see it. That's what your boxes should look like.
Okay, I'll tell you when I'm done.
All right.
I just couldn't hear.
Oh, that's fine. All right, let's see. While he's doing that, TT, can you read number 4 for me, please?
Flowers are frosting roses on a cake. How many roses are there on the cake? Are on the cake? Show how to cut the cake into equal size pieces so that each piece has 2 roses.
All right. TT, do you remember how we did that? How we grouped them together? Like we would do a circle, right? Either this way or this
Done.
way to circle a line of them.
I'm done, so you can do whatever.
Oh, sweet. Thanks. Okay. Excuse me. So we would do these circles. We would group them. And we would either circle them long ways. Let's just do long ways. See how I made circles? I grouped them. I circled them. But instead of doing that, I counted the rows. There's 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I counted the columns, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So my number sentence based on this would look 6 times 4 equals. So that's how we can find out how many roses are on this cake. So let's see, we're gonna go to Vash. How many roses are on this cake, Vash?
There are 24 roses.
There are 24 total roses. That is absolutely correct. Tobias, how many pieces did you make the cake? So show how to cut the cake into equal size. Ah, there we go. Do-do-do, do-do-do. In equal size. That's what I did wrong. So to do it equally, we need to do 1, 2. Okay, so it's 1, 2. It's a 1 by 2. So to cut them, to make them equal, they need to be cut in 1 by 2s. So there'll be 2 in each square. Does that make sense? Meow. Meow. So it would look like that. See the lines? And that's how you would cut them into equal squares. All right, so we just showed them. So how many pieces did you make? Well, we made 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3 is 12. We made 12 pieces on this beautiful rose cake. It's gorgeous. And it's got black icing.
Ew.
Well, that's what it has. All right, Zachary, number 5. Find each answer. 93 minus 25.
Well, I'll break it down because I don't really know. So first of
That's
all,
fine.
6 minus 5 you can't do, so you take away the 9 and you change it into an 8. You make a 10. 13 minus 5 would be 8, and 8 minus 2 would be 6, so 68.
All right, so we're gonna take 1 away from here, like you said, and we'll bring 10 over here, which is 13. And you said 13 minus 5 was 8, and 8 minus 2 was 6. Yep. Okay, that is not a fancy looking 6, but we're gonna pretend it is. All right, that's correct. Let's see. Mute. Eli, would you like to do 48 minus 34? So we're going to do 48 minus 34. How are we going to do this, Eli?
Well, you take the 4 from the 8,
And that gives us how much?
a 4,
Okay.
and then 4 minus 3 is 1.
Correct. The answer is 14. All right. Let's go to Tobias. I can't unmute you, Tobias. You'll have to unmute yourself. It won't let me. Oh, wait. There you go. Oh, wait. We're doing a tag here. All right, Tobias. The next one. 63 minus 19. Go ahead and explain that for me.
So 3 minus 9, you can't do it. So you
Right.
take 1 from the 6, it makes it 13, and the 6 is 5. So 13 minus 9 is 4, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So 44.
44, that is correct. Thank you so much. All right, let's clear this one. Clear all drawings. And let's go down to Nicholas. Nicholas, I'm going to give you the big one, guy. Are you ready? You think you can handle it?
Yep.
All right, let me get it here on the board. And then, so 239, 384, right?
Mhm.
How many change? 57, oops. All right, and the next one is how much?
$103.54.
Awesome. Thank you so much. All right, I'm going to draw, and we're adding, and it's money.
So,
All right, go ahead, Nicholas.
So 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 9 is 20, so it's 0. And then so then it would be 15, because 5 plus 5 equals 10, and 3 plus 2 equals 5, so that would be 5. And then for 15.
Okay.
And then 9.
Oh, wait. You forgot the 1, right? Because it was 15, so we had to carry the 1, so it'd be 10.
0, and then 7.
That's correct.
705 and 50 cents.
All right. And remember your dollar sign and your decimal, right? And 50 cents. All right. Who's got $705.50?
Me.
Yes. All right. Oh, Eli has it too. Look, Eli said, me too.
I have 1,000 in my bank.
Awesome.
And I have my own wallet.
Nice.
Phone.
I have my own wallet too. All right. Next. All right. Zachary and Vash don't want to be seen. Let's go to TT. TT, number 6. You got to unmute yourself, buddy. All right. Go for it.
What are the smudge digits?
All right. So what is the smudge digit here? All right, I'm going to go to Eli. Eli knows the answers. What's the smudge digit, Eli?
6. No, wait. Oh.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's how many 4s on the left side? TT?
5.
5. So the smudge digit is 5, right? Remember how we talked about multiplications? 3 times 4 is the same as 4 plus 4 plus 4, right? Okay. So the next one, 29 plus 51 is, go to Vash. And Vash, what is the smudged digit?
The smudge digit is 8.
Is 8. Because if we add, Tobias, 29 plus 51, it gives us how much?
Oh,
It gives
20.
us 80.
Yes.
Yes. Whoa. Indy has screen shared. Yeah, that's not. No. Alrighty then. Okay. And then the last one is Eli's got a hand up. I'm going with Eli. Unmute yourself.
So it is 2.
2?
Digit.
That's correct. Because the square root of 64 is
8.
what, Nicholas?
But Nicholas.
And then what is the square root of 64, Nicholas?
8.
8. So then 10 minus 2 would equal 8. That's correct. All right, let's unmute everybody. Right?
Hey.
Everybody is unmuted.
Everyone has an iPad.
All right, so look, the next thing is the multiplication tables. Do you guys want me to time you on it since we haven't done this, or no?
Mom, let me get the multiplication
already
table
started
out.
You cheater! No, you're not a cheater. That's cool. Okay.
I already did that.
Oh, Eli already finished. All right. Well,
Oh, I
let's do it.
haven't.
Well, let's do it together. 2 times 3 is what? Shout it out.
6.
7 times 3 is
21.
1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 5,
15.
15. 4 times 3,
12.
12. That's right. 6 times 3,
18.
18. 3 times 8, 20. 3 times 8,
3 times 8,
24.
4.
3 times 4 is
12.
12. 9 times 3,
Sorry.
20. 20. 9 times 3, Tobias?
20.
Nicholas, 9 times 3?
27.
27. 3 times 3.
3 times 6.
3 times 3.
Ugh. You scare me, Zach.
See, 3 times 3, 9. Do we all have the same multiplication table?
I don't know.
I was
Who
just
said I don't know? Vash?
I mean, I do, but I don't know if everyone else does.
Oh, okay. Look, I love how TT does his little thumbs up. I'm gonna clap. for
Zach is
someone. I'm
also
not
a
sure who I'm
modster
clapping
if
for,
you
but let's
look
go ahead
at
and
him.
clap. All right. 3 times
Zach is
0
also a
is
monster.
0.
0.
8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 5, 15. 9 times 3,
27.
27. 3 times 6, 18. 8 times 3, 24. 3 times 2,
6.
3 times 4, 12. 6 times 3, 18.
18.
Tobias, did you finish this already?
No.
Okay. 0 times 3,
0.
0.
0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Sorry, our new 0 dance. Take a look.
And look behind you. It's
Oh, okay.
a
We can't
big
see you.
monster.
3 times 7,
3 times 7?
21.
1.
3 times 1,
3.
3.
6 times 3,
18.
3 times 7,
21.
3 times 3.
9.
Woo! All right, so we did those and side A together.
Hey, can we chat?
Yeah. Hold on, I have to stop recording though. So thank you for coming to today's lesson.
Another thing,